Welcome to Compass and Pencil. All months of a year beginning with the letter J. Our question is whether it forms set or not. In set, we can write as January, June, July. Start with the letter J. So, it is a well-defined set. Next question. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. It is not well-defined collection. So, it does not form set. Next question. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. It is not well defined because it varies from person to person. So it does not form set. Next question. The collection of all boys in your class. It is a well defined collection. We can write it in a set. The collection of all natural number less than 100. We know natural numbers are start with 1 and here the natural number less than 100, that is 1 to 99. Next, a collection of novels written by writer Munshi Premchand. It is a well-defined collection, so it forms a set. Next question. The collection of all even integer is a well-defined collection because one can definitely identify an even integer that belongs to this collection. The collection of questions in this chapter. It is a well-defined collection, so it forms set. The collection of most dangerous animals of the world. It is not well defined, so it does not form set. Person to person it varies. Next, second question. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Given set A. Insert the appropriate symbol element E or not element cross E in the blank space. Then first question is 5. 5 belongs to this set A. So 5 element of A. Then 8. 8 not element of A. Then third question 0. 0 not element of A. Fourth question 4. 4 element of A. Then fifth question 2. 2 belongs to A. So 2 element of A. Last question 10 not element of A. Third question. Write the following sets in roster form. First question. X such that x is an integer and minus 3 less than or equal to x less than 7. Here the interval says that minus 3 included and 7 not included in this set. That is in a number line. We can draw a number line and find out the integers in between minus 3 and 7. We can write minus 3 to 6. Next question. X is a natural number less than 6. We know natural numbers start with 1 and here define the set less than 6. So the set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next question. X is a two-digit number, natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. We know two-digit natural numbers start with 10 and ends in 99. Here given the property that the sum of these two digits first and second is become 8. I take the first digit as 1, then the second digit is 7, so that 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. We got first number 17. Then second number. I take first digit as 2 and then second digit becomes 6. That is 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. We got second number 26. Then add 1 to first digit and subtract 1 to second digit. We get other numbers of this set. Divide 60 by smallest prime numbers. We get 60 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Then the set become 2, 3, 5. The set of all letters in the word trigonometry. We know inside a set no letters or numbers are repeated. The set of all letters in the word. Next question, convert a roster form to set builder form. 3, 6, 9, 12. We can write it as 1 into 3, 2 into 3, 3 into 3, 4 into 3. That is, multiple of 3 lies in between 1 and 4. That is, we can write the set A is equal to X such that H is equal to 3n. N is lies in between 1 and 4. N is a natural number. That is, n in n and 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4. Next question, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. First number 2, second number 2 into 2, that is 2 square. Third number 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube. Fourth number 2 raised to 4. Fifth number 2 raised to 5. Then nth number become 2 raised to n. We can write the set B is equal to x such that s is equal to 2 raised to n. N is a natural number, lies in between 1 and 5. That is 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 5 and n in n. Similarly, in next question, 5, 25, 125, 625. That is 5, 5 square, 5 cube, 5 raised to 4. We can write the set C is equal to x such that x is equal to 5 raised to n, n in n and 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4. Next question, 2, 4, 6, comma, etc. It is an infinity set and it can be written as set D is equal to x such that x is an even natural number. Next question, 1, 4, 9, comma, etc. 100. Here, first number is 1 square and the second number 2 square and the next 3 square, comma, etc. The last number 10 square. Generally, we can write x is equal to n square and n varies from 1 to 10 and n is a natural number. Next set of question, list all the elements of the following sets. First question, x such that x is an odd natural number. We know odd natural numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Next question, x such that x is an integer in between minus 1 by 2 less than x less than 9 by 2. X lies in between minus 1 by 2 and 9 by 2. 1 by 2 means half of 1, that is 0.5, and 9 by 2 is half of 9, that is 4.5. So, we can find out the integer in between minus 0.5 and 4.5. Using a number line, we can find out the number in between 0.5 and 4.5, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next question, x such that x is an integer, comma, x square is less than or equal to 4. The set of number whose squares are less than or equal to 4. 0 square less than 4, 1 square less than 4, 2 square less than or equal to 4. So we can write 0, 1, 2 and also the squares of minus 2 and minus 1 is less than or equal to 4. That is minus 2 the whole square is less than or equal to 4 and minus 1 the whole square is less than or equal to 4. Next question, X is a letter in the word loyal. Inside a set, don't repeat the letters. So we can write set D is equal to LOYA. Next question, X is a month of a year not having 31 days. We know the months are February, April, June, September and November. Next question, X is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. We know the vowels are A, E, I, O, U and the remaining are consonants. And here X is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. The alphabets are B, C, D, F, G, H, J. Next question, match the following. I take the right side. First, x such that x is a prime number and a divisor of 6. It matches to second question because 2 and 3 are prime numbers and a divisor of 6. Then I take second option B. X is an odd natural number less than 10. It matches to fourth question Because 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd natural numbers and it is less than 10. I take third option C. X such that X is natural number and divisor of 6. It matches to first question. 1, 2, 3, 6 are natural numbers and also divisor of 6. Fourth option, X such that X is a letter of the word mathematics. We know it matches to third option. Find out the null set. This is our question. Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. We know odd natural numbers are not divisible by 2. Odd natural numbers are divided by 2, remainder not equal to 0. So it is a null set. Set of even prime numbers 2, 3, 5, etc. 2 is an even prime number, so it does not form null set. X such that is a natural number, x less than 5 and x greater than 7. No natural number satisfy both these conditions. So it is a null set. Y such that y is a point common to any two parallel lines. Parallel lines are not intersect, so they does not have common point. Next, which of the following sets are finite or infinite? We have only 12 months, that is the set consists of 12 elements, so the set of months of year is finite. Next 1, 2, 3, etc. We don't know how many elements are in set, so it is an infinite set. Next 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 100. We know 100 elements are in this set, so it is a finite set. The set of positive integers greater than 100. It is an infinite set because positive integers greater than 100 are infinite in number. Prime number less than 99. It is a finite set. Finite elements are inside the set, so it is a finite set. State whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. First one, the set of lines which are parallel to the x-axis. We can draw infinite number of lines parallel to x-axis, so it is an infinite set. Second question, the set of letters in the English alphabet. The set of letters in the English alphabet is a finite set because it has 26 elements. The set of numbers which are multiple of 5. We can find out infinite number of multiple of 5 numbers, so it is an infinite set. The set of animals living on the earth. It is a big number and it is a finite set. The set of circle passing through the origin 0, 0. We can draw infinite number of circles passing through the origin, so it is an infinite set. In the following, state whether A is equal to B or not. First question, set A is equal to ABCD, set B is equal to DCBA. Every element of A is an element of B, so A is equal to B. A is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16. B is equal to 8, 4, 16, 18. It can be seen that 12 is element of A but 12 not element of B. So A not equal to B. Next A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B is equal to X is a positive even integer X less than or equal to 10. First in roster form and second in set builder form. We can write set B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So A is equal to B. Next, A is equal to X such that X is a multiple of 10 and B is equal to 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. We can write A is equal to 10, 20, 30, etc. Then 15 element of B but 15 not element of A, 25 element of B and 25 not element of A, therefore A not equal to B. Are the following pairs of sets equal? Give reason. First question, A is equal to 2, 3, B is equal to x such that x is a solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So, B is equal to, we get the set minus 2 and minus 3. Solving the quadratic equation, x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Here, A is equal to 2, 3 and B is equal to minus 2, minus 3, A not equal to B. A is equal to x such that x is a letter in the word follow. B is equal to set y such that y is a letter in the word wolf. Set A is equal to FOLW, B is equal to WOLF. All element of A is an element of B, so A is equal to B. From the sets given below, select equal sets. From the given set, we get B is equal to D and E is equal to G. Every element of B is an element of D and every element of E is an element of G. Make correct statements by filling in the symbols subset or not subset in the blank space. Set 2, 3, 4 is the subset of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set A, B, C, not subset of B, C, D. X is a student of class 11 of your school. It is a subset of student of your school. X is a circle in the plane. Not subset of circle in the same plane with the radius 1 unit. X is a triangle in a plane. It is not subset of rectangle in the plane. They have different properties. X is an equilateral triangle in a plane. Equilateral triangles are some type of triangles, so it is a subset of triangles. X is an even natural number. It is a subset of integer. Examine whether the following statements are true or false. First question, A, B, not subset of B, C, A. False, because A, B contained in B, C, A. Next, A, E is the subset of such that X is a vowel in the English alphabet. True, A, E are vowels in the English alphabet. Next, 1, 2, 3 is the subset of 1, 3, 5. 2 is not contained in 1, 3, 5, therefore false. Next, A is the subset of in ABC. True. A element of ABC. True. Next, X such that X is an even natural number less than 6 is the subset of X is a natural number which divides 36. True. X is an even natural number less than 6 are 2, 4 and natural number which divides 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Let A is equal to set 1, 2, set 3, 4, 5. Which of the following statements are incorrect and why? Second option, set 3, 4 element of A is correct. Fourth option, 1 element of A, it is also correct. And null event 5 is an element of A is not correct. Seventh question, set 1 to 5 element of A is not correct because 1 to 5 element of A but set 1 to 5 not element of A. Then I take subsets. Writing all the given subset of the set A. Writing the subset, we get option 3, 6 and 10 are correct. Write down all the subset of the following sets. First question, set A. The subset of set A are null set and set A. Then second, subset of AB. Null set, set A, set B and set AB. Third, subsets of 1, 2, 3 are null event 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Last, the only subset of null event 5 is 5. How many elements has P of A if A is equal to 5? We know that if A is a set with m elements, that is n of A is equal to m, then n of P of A is equal to 2 raised to m. If A is equal to 5, then n of A is equal to 0. That is n of P of A is equal to 2 raised to 0, that is equal to 1. Write the following as intervals. First question is such that x in R minus 4 less than x less than or equal to 6. Here minus 4 not included and 6 included. So we can write open minus 4 closed 6. Second question x such that x in R minus 12 less than x less than minus 10. Minus 12 and minus 10 are not included, that is less than symbol. So that is we can write as open interval minus 12 minus 10. Next, x in R 0 less than or equal to x less than 7. Closed bracket 0 and open bracket 7. Next, x in R 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. Then 3 and 4 are included in this interval. Therefore, closed interval 3, 4. Write the following intervals in set builder form. Open interval minus 3, 0. X such that x in R minus 3 less than x less than 0. Next, closed interval 6, 12. So we take 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 12. Open 6, 12 closed. Then we take 6 less than x. For 12 we take less than or equal to 12. Next, closed minus 23, 5 open. At the side minus 23 we take less than or equal to, and at 5 we take less than symbol. That is x in R minus 23 less than or equal to x less than 5. What universal sets would you propose for each of the following? First question, the set of right triangles. For the set of right triangles, the universal set can be the set of triangles or the set of polygons. Next, the set of isosceles triangles. Isosceles triangles are some type of triangles. So, the universal set can be the set of triangles or the set of polygons or the set of two-dimensional figures. Given the sets A is equal to 1, 3, 5, B is equal to 2, 4, 6 and C is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Which of the following may be considered as universal sets for all the three sets A, B and C? First, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I take the set as D. Here A contained in D, B contained in D and C not contained in D. Therefore, D is not the universal set of A, B and C. Null set. A is not the subset of null event, B is not the subset of null event and C is not the subset of null event. So, null event is not the universal set. I take set E is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A is the subset of E, B is the subset of E and C is the subset of E. Therefore, E is the universal set of A, B and C. Now I take set F is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A is the subset of F, B is the subset of F and C is not the subset of F. So, F is not the universal set of A, B and C. Find the union of each of the following pairs of sets. X is equal to 1, 3, 5, Y is equal to 1, 2, 3. Write all elements of X and Y. We get set 1, 2, 3, 5. Next, set A, E, I, O, U and set B is equal to A, B, C. Set A union B is equal to A, B, C, E, I, O, U. Next, A is equal to X such that X is a natural number and a multiple of 3. And B is equal to X such that X is a natural number less than 6. We get A is equal to 3, 6, 9, etc. and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 12, etc. A is equal to X such that X is a natural number and 1 less than X less than or equal to 6. And B is equal to X such that X is a natural number and 6 less than X less than 10. We get A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B is equal to 7, 8, 9 and A union B is equal to all members of A and B. A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to null event. Therefore, A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3 because B has no element. So let A is equal to AB and B is equal to ABC. Is A subset of B? What is A union B? We get A union B is equal to ABC which is equal to B and A contained in B, so A is the subset of B. If A and B are two sets such that A subset of B, then what is A union B? Then A union B is equal to B always. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6 and C is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8 and D is equal to 7, 8, 9, 10. Find first question A union B. A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and A union C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and B union C 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Next B union D 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A union B union C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A union B union D all elements of A, B, D. Then we get 1 to 10. Then last B union C union D 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We take question number 1 and find out the intersection of each pair of sets. X is equal to 1, 3, 5 and Y is equal to 1, 2, 3. We get as intersection Y is equal to 1, 3 and next A intersection B is equal to set A intersection B is equal to set 3, A intersection B is equal to null event and A intersection B is equal to null event. No element common for A and B. If A is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, B is equal to 7, 9, 11, 13 and C is equal to 11, 13, 15 and D is equal to 15, 17. Find A intersection B common to A and B is equal to set 7, 9, 11, B intersection C set 11, 13, A intersection C intersection D which is equal to set A intersection C intersection D which is equal to set 11 intersection set 15 17, which is equal to null event because there were no common elements. A intersection C is equal to set 11, B intersection D is equal to null event, A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. First find out A intersection B, we get 7, 9, 11, and then we get A intersection C is equal to set 11. The union of 7, 9, 11 and 11, we get 7, 9, 11. A intersection D is equal to null event. Then next A intersection B union D is equal to A intersection B union A intersection D. We get A intersection B is equal to 7, 9, 11 and union A intersection D we get a null event. Set 7, 9, 11 union null event, we get 7, 9, 11. Then next question, A intersection B intersection B union C. First find A intersection B, we get 7, 9, 11 and next we find B union C, we get 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Then common to A intersection B and B union C, we get 7, 9, 11. Last, A union D intersection B union C. A union D, we get 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 15 and 17. And B union C, we get 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. And common to A union D and B union C, we get 7, 9, 11, 15. If A is equal to x such that S is a natural number and B is equal to x such that S is an even natural number, C is equal to x such that S is an odd natural number and D is equal to x such that X is prime number, find first question A intersection B. We know A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 etc. and B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 etc. Therefore, A intersection B is equal to set B. A intersection C, odd natural numbers. A intersection D is equal to set of prime numbers. Next, B intersection C, no common elements present in set of even natural numbers and odd natural numbers. So, B intersection C is equal to null event. Next, B intersection D. 2 is the common element. C intersection D. We get set of odd prime numbers. Which of the following pairs of sets are disjoint? If sets are disjoint, their intersection is null event. Intersection of these two sets we get a set of 4, so it is not disjoint. Next, intersection of set AEIOU and set CDEF we get set E, therefore it is not a null event, so it is not disjoint. Next, first set even integer set and second set odd integer set. There is no common element, therefore the sets are disjoint. If A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21, B is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20, C is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16 and D is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20. Find A minus B. We get set 3, 6, 9, 15, 18 and 21. And next A minus C. The element which present in A and not present in C. We get 3, 9, 15, 18 and 21. Then next A minus D. We get 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21. And B minus A 4, 8, 16, 20. C minus A 2, 4, 8, 10, 14, 16. D minus A 5, 10, 20. B minus C set 20 and B minus D 4, 8, 12, 16. C minus B 2, 6, 10, 14, D minus B 5, 10, 15, C minus D 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16, D minus C 5, 15, 20. Find x minus y. X minus y is equal to set AC, y minus x, set FG, and x intersection y common to x and y, we get a set BD. If R is the set of real numbers and Q is the set of rational numbers, then what is R minus Q? Real numbers are the union of rational numbers and irrational numbers. When we subtract set of rational numbers from real numbers, we get a set of irrational numbers. State whether each of the following statements is true or false. Justify your answer. Set 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6 are disjoint sets. If two sets are disjoint, their intersection must be null event. The intersection of these two sets, we get set 3. Therefore, it is not null event. Next, set AEIOU and ABCD. We get set A common to these sets. Therefore, it is not disjoint. Intersection of these two sets, we get a null event. Therefore, these two sets are disjoint. Next, 2, 6, 10, intersection 3, 7, 11, we get a null event, so it is disjoint. 5. Let U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, and C is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. Find a complement. Universal set and its subsets are given. Find the elements which are outside A and present in U. We get set 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Similarly, we can find B complement. B complement is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. B is the set of even numbers and B complement is the set of odd numbers. Next, A union C the whole complement. First find A union C, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then find A union C the whole complement. We can get the element which are outside A union C, we get 7, 8, 9. Similarly, we can find A union B the whole complement, we get 5, 7, 9. By the law of double complementation, A complement the whole complement is equal to A. So we get same set 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, B minus C the whole complement. First find B minus C. We get set 2, 8 and then find B minus C the whole complement. We get 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Second question, if U is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, find the complement of the following sets. First set A, B, C. A complement, we get D, E, F, G, H. Set B is equal to D, E, F, G. Then B complement is equal to A, B, C, H. Next, C is equal to set A, C, E, G and C complement is equal to B, D, F, H. Set D is equal to F, G, H, A. D complement is equal to B, C, D and E. Next question, taking the set of natural numbers as the universal set, write down the complements of the following sets. First question, x such that s is an even natural number. U is the set of natural numbers. Complement of even natural numbers, we get a set of odd natural numbers. And the complement of odd natural numbers, we get a set of even natural numbers. Next, S is a positive multiple of 3. The complement of this set is not multiple of 3. Next, S is a prime number. And complement is not prime number or composite number. Next, S is natural number divisible by 3 and 5. We take its complement. Next, X is a perfect square. its complement is x is not a perfect square. Then next, x is a perfect cube. Then x in n and x is not a perfect cube. Next, x plus 5 is equal to 8. Solving this equation, we get x is equal to 3 and its complement, the set complement is x is a natural number and x not equal to 3. The collection of x not equal to 3. Next, another equation, 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. We get x is equal to 2. The set complement is the set of x values which is not is equal to 2. Next, x greater than or equal to 7 and its complement is x less than 7, or we can write set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, x is a natural number, 2x plus 1 greater than 10. Solving 2x plus 1 greater than 10, we get x greater than 4.5. We get x is a natural number and x less than or equal to 4.5, and we get set 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth question, if u is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, a is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and b is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, verify that a union b, the whole complement is equal to a complement intersection b complement. We know it is De Morgan's law. First find a union b, the whole complement. We get a union b 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and its complement is set 1, 9 and a complement we get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and b complement we get 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. Then its intersection we get set 1, 9. Here we get a union b, the whole complement is equal to 1, 9 and a complement intersection b complement is equal to 1, 9. Therefore, it is equal. Next, a intersection b, the whole complement is equal to a complement union b complement. Here we get a intersection b is equal to set 2 and its complement we get 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and a complement we get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Union b complement we get 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. So, a intersection b, the whole complement is equal to a complement union b complement, the same set. Next, draw appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following. First figure a union b, the whole complement, and the second figure we get a complement intersection b complement, and third a intersection b, the whole complement, and fourth a complement union b complement. Let U be the set of all triangles in a plane. If A is the set of all triangles with at least one angle different from 60 degree, what is a complement? A complement is the set of triangles with every angles of the triangle is equal to 60 degree. That is equilateral triangle. Fill the blanks to make each of the following a true statement. A union A complement. We can draw A and A complement and its union the whole region. That is universal set. We know null complement is a universal set. Universal complement set is null set. Here null complement intersection A is equal to universal set intersection A, that is A. There is no elements common to A and A complement. So, A intersection A complement is equal to null set. Next, universal set the whole complement intersection A, which is equal to null set intersection A, that is equal to, there is no common element for null set and A, so it is a null set. 96. First question, if x and y are two sets such that n of x is equal to 17 and n of y is equal to 23 and n of x union y is equal to 38 and find n of x intersection y. Given that Number of elements in x is equal to 17, number of elements in y is equal to 23, and number of elements in x union y is equal to 38. Find number of elements in x intersection y. We know number of elements in x union y is equal to number of elements in x plus number of elements in y minus number of elements in x intersection y. Substituting the values, we get number of elements in x intersection y is equal to 2. If x and y are two sets such that x union y has 18 elements, x has 8 elements and y has 15 elements, how many elements does x intersection y have? Given that number of elements in x union y is equal to 18, number of elements in x is equal to 8, and number of elements in y is equal to 15. Substitute the values in our equation, we get number of elements in x intersection y is equal to 5. Next question. In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? Let H be the set of people who speak Hindi and E be the set of people who speak English. Then number of elements in H union E is equal to 400. Number of elements in H is equal to 250. Number of elements in E is equal to 200. Then find number of elements in H intersection E. Substituting the values in our equation, we get number of elements in H intersection E is equal to 50. Thus, 50 people can speak both Hindi and English. If S and T are two sets such that S has 21 elements, T has 32 elements, and S intersection T has 11 elements, how many elements does S union T have? Given that number of elements in S is equal to 21, number of elements in T is equal to 32, and number of elements in S intersection T is equal to 11. Find number of elements in S union T, we get 42 elements. Next question. If X and Y are two sets such that S has 40 elements, X union Y has 60 elements, and X intersection Y has 10 elements, how many elements does Y have? Given that number of elements in X is equal to 40, number of elements in X union Y is equal to 60, number of elements X intersection Y is equal to 10. Substitute the value in our equation, we get number of elements in Y is equal to 30. Thus, the set Y has 30 elements. In a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea, and each person like at least one of the two drinks. How many people like both coffee and tea? Let C denote the set of people who like coffee and T denote the set of people who like tea. Then number of elements in C union T is equal to 70. Number of elements in C is equal to 37 and the number of elements in T is equal to 52. Substituting the values in our equation, we get number of elements in C intersection T is equal to 19. Thus, 19 people like both coffee and tea. Next question. In a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis. How many like tennis only and not cricket? How many like tennis? Let C denote the set of people who like cricket and T denote the set of people who like tennis. Therefore, in a group of 65 people, number of C union T is equal to 65. And number of C is equal to 40 and number of elements of C intersection T is equal to 10. That is 10 like both cricket and tennis. Substitute the values in our equation, we get number of T is equal to 35. Therefore, 35 people like tennis. Next question. In a committee, 50 people speak French, 20 speak Spanish and 10 speak both Spanish and French. How many speak at least one of these two languages? Let F be the set of people in the committee who speak French and S be the set of people in the committee who speak Spanish. 50 people speak French, therefore number of elements in F is equal to 50, number of elements in S is equal to 20 and 10 speak both Spanish and French, therefore number of elements in S intersection F is equal to 10. Our aim is to find number of elements in F union S. Substituting the value in our equation, we get number of elements in S union F is equal to 60. Therefore, 60 people in the committee speak at least one of the two languages.